Hello, today is August 19th and I'm Patrick Burke, and this is the video lab exercise for the week 7 urinary system, and we're going to be dissecting the pig. I'll be making the incision here through below the diaphragm. Okay, we've made our first 3 incisions here, and we are ready to now cut through the peritoneal membrane. Oops. And cutting through the umbilicus, so the umbilical vein here. And we have kind of a mess. Clean that up. Okay, we did a lot of cleaning, and we found an organ made of blue dye. And now we're going to proceed with the removal of the organs. This liver is much larger than I thought it would be. And intestines are here. This must be the spleen. Okay, let's remove the intestines now. Okay, we now have removed the intestines and did a lot of cleaning, and I can now see the peritoneal membrane in the back. And it's not nearly as translucent as I thought it would be. Okay, well, we've cleaned out all the blue dye here, and I've got the kidneys here, and we're cutting away the peritoneum to get to the retroperitoneal area. And I believe I accidentally cut through the renal artery and vein, because while I see the ureters, I don't see a clear hilum. But we'll try to photograph the place where they were as best we can here. And also get a photograph. We see the renal fat area there, protecting the kidneys. And we see the ureters coming down here. We'll get a picture of those with the probe underneath them. The bladder. And let's see here. Some fat located around the kidneys, ureter, bladder, the renal artery and vein. We seem to have cut through. Though we can see that aorta very clearly, and I can see the vein going back up to the liver. So I'll pause here while we cut the kidney. Okay, so I removed the kidney, and cutting through it, it's a lot more difficult because it's smaller and more softer than the other one. So it makes it harder for me to see the structures, but I've cut through it. And so here's my finished product of the pig with the, you can see one kidney remaining here attached by the ureter. And I've got the other kidney split here. And we've got our images, and that is our video lab exercise for the urinary system. Thank you.